Let's check out the cave. Hey, how deep does this go? What's up, Cadence? Let's take it. Okay. Squeeze it todo, man. Squeeze it todo. Hey. Hey. Right here. That's a good mix. That's a good mix. Black. Which, what? Yo, excited.
You know who's another good guy? Dr. He has botanical herbs. Dr. Schultz. No, not that guy. That's Dr. Schultz. He's Dr. Schultz. Schultz.
So, this video is dedicated to everybody that left today. Today is, what is today? Today's Thursday. Yes. We got ice cream today. As you can see, we got creative and threw some frosted flakes in there. It's pretty delicious. We're just chilling right now, you know, not doing anything, because this is what we do with our days now that you've left. It's pretty fun. Yeah, I thought I'd just rub it in. And, sleeping, hanging out, you know. So,
mean, it's like it's just synchronicity.
Yeah.
We're in tune with red roses. Right at the ramp, in the center dome.
Yeah.
And they even got a hallway. For those who want to say, oh, they're not connected, yes, they are. Look closer.
I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed day, the dark sacred night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I hear babies cry, I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than I never knew. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful